Hi everyone, in this video clip, I'm going to discuss question number 8 and number 9 because these two questions are basically the differentiation. So let's look at the question 8a. So instead of dy, this is actually the y. Instead of dy by dx, okay, we write the expression, full expression itself. Therefore, so 8a, so when we differentiate, it's just like how we differentiate in question number 7. So we bring down the power to the front and multiply with the whole term. So we will have, okay, d by dx, yeah, 2x squared plus 3x minus 9. So equals to 4x, reduce the power by 1, and then plus 3x power 1, reduce the power by 1, gets 0. X to the power 0 is 1. Okay, that's it. All right, B. To differentiate x squared plus, again, always write in such that there's no x in the denominator. So we write in it negative index and start to differentiate it. Bring down the power and reduce the power by 1. And when we bring down this power to the front, okay, negative 1 times 2, so we have negative 2x. Negative 1 minus 1, therefore we have 2x minus 2x to the power of negative 2. So if you wanted to go back to the positive index, then we write like this. Negative minus 2 over x squared. So this is the answer. Part C. All right, so differentiate. Okay, 5x to the power of 3 plus 2x squared plus 4x minus 7 minus x to the power of negative 1 and then plus 3x to the power of negative 2. Okay, right in this form. Then only we start to differentiate it. So bring down the power and multiply. So we got 15x squared, reduce the power by 1, yeah? So bring this down. So we have 4x and then bring the 1 down. So we have 4. Constant after we differentiate is 0. And then this one, bring it down, become positive 1 because negative times negative is positive. So positive x to the power negative 1 minus 1, negative 2. And then minus 3 times 2, 6. Bring this down to multiply. And then x, negative 2, negative 1. So we have negative 3. So this is the answer. It's either we leave this as our final answer or we rewrite. Okay, so that we get this. X squared minus 6x cubed. Both are acceptable. So that's question number 8. Let's look at question number 9. Now, to differentiate this, we have to make sure that we simplify whenever we can. All right, so we multiply the x in. Therefore, fx equals to half x to the power of 5 minus x cubed and then minus 5x squared. Then only we differentiate it. Now, this is another notation for differentiation. If the function given is f, so f prime means differentiate the function with respect of x. So we will have, the moment we write this, f prime, that means we are doing the differentiation. So bring down the power to multiply to the front immediately. So 5 over 2, reduce the power by 1, so x to the power of 4. Minus, bring down 3, and then reduce the power by 1. Then bring this down and multiply. So we have negative 10, x to the power of 1. So that's it for A. Always simplify. Now B, can we simplify? Yes, we expand this. Let's expand this first. So fx equals to x cubed plus 3x squared minus 5x minus 15. Therefore, f prime x. So we have 3x squared and then bring down the power 6x, reduce the power by 1, yeah? So minus 5, and that's it. the constant after we factorize, we differentiate, it is always 0. Now next, part C. Okay, so part C, simplify it first. So each and every term can be divided by x. So we will have x squared minus 1 plus 4x to the power of negative 1. So differentiate the function f. We will have 2x. This is 0, so just leave it. And then this one will be minus 4x to the power of negative 2. We can leave this as our answer. And then D, okay, we're going to factorize this. So let's write this. Factorize this one, we will have x and x, 2 and 1. So minus and plus. Okay, so, and then you will notice that x minus 2 and x minus 2 can be simplified. So we left with just x plus 1. So differentiate this function. Therefore, x is 1. So that is the answer. So that's it for question number 8 and number 9.